Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. All the videos of GK Today are absolutely free and available on GK Today's YouTube channel. And if you are looking for interactive quizzes in text and also their solutions, please download GK Today's Academy Android app. Also, if you are preparing for UPSC Prelims Examination 2021 and 2022, then we have a daily current affairs quiz series in Academy app. You may subscribe to that series if you find it good. In that quiz, we provide daily 10 questions specially crafted for UPSC preliminary examination, and we try to connect each current affairs event with some fundamental knowledge in static general studies topic. We hope you will find it very useful. So after the successful completion of the series on Indian polity, in which we covered the entire Indian polity in 60 videos with more than 1000 MCQs, so here we are back to start up with another series on world geography, and this particular series is of 95 videos, and in each video we are going to discuss select 15 questions. So now let's begin with the questions on world geography. So the first question is, which of the following pairs of the theories of universe and their propounders are correctly matched? So you have to select the correct options from the codes given below. And the correct answer is option D, that is only first and second are correct. See, the pulsating universe theory is propounded by Dr. Alan Sunds and not by Lord Kelvin. And according to this theory, the universe follows a self-sustaining cycle by alternately expanding and contracting. Now, the next question is, who gave the theory of expanding universe? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option B, that is Edwin Hubble. So the expanding universe theory is based on the observation of Edwin Hubble. According to Hubble, the universe which exists today is still expanding, though at a slower speed. Moving ahead with the next question. So the steady state theory is related to which of the following? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option C, that is formation of universe. So the steady state theory is an alternative to the Big Bang theory of the evolution of the universe. And according to the steady state theory, although the universe is still expanding, it does not change its look over time. Now the next question is, the phenomena of redshift is related to which of the following? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option B, that is the universe is expanding. See, the phenomena of redshift explains how light changes as objects in space such as stars move, and it is an important concept to explain the process of expansion of the universe. Moving ahead with the next question. So which is the first molecule formed in the universe after the Big Bang? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option A, that is helium hydride. So the helium hydride ion or helonium was the first molecule that was formed after the Big Bang event. And the ionized hydrogen and helium atoms reacted to form helium hydride ion. Now the next question is, which is the most abundant element in the universe? So you have the following options, and the correct answer is option C, that is hydrogen. So the hydrogen is the simplest element and the most abundant in the universe. Hydrogen makes up 75% of all the matter in the universe, and hydrogen is followed by helium, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, etc. Now the next question is, which of the following pairs are correctly matched? So you have the following options, and you have to select the correct options from the codes given below. And the correct answer is option D, that is neither the one nor the second. See, the geocentric model means that the earth is at the center. In the word geocentric, the prefix geo means earth, and according to this model, the universe revolves around the earth. Further, this model was put forth by Ptolemy, and it was not put forward by Copernicus. And talking about heliocentric model, that means that the sun is at the center, and in the word heliocentric, the prefix helio means the sun. So according to this model, the universe revolves around the sun, and this model was put forth by Copernicus, and it was not put forth by Ptolemy. Now the next question is, what does a light year measure? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is distance. See, light year is a unit of distance and it is used to measure the distance that light travels in 1 year. Now the next question is, which of the following statements are correctly matched? So you have to select the correct options from the quotes given below. So you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is only third match is correct. See, the correct matches are as follows. Origin of the universe is with Big Bang theory. Evolution of the earth should be with nebular hypothesis, and the evolution of the moon is with the Big Split theory. Now the next question is, astronomical unit AU is equal to how many kilometers? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is 150 million kilometer. See, the astronomical unit is the unit of length and it is the mean distance between the sun and the earth. One astronomical unit is equal to 150 million kilometer. Thank you so much. So this was all for today's video and we hope that you like our new initiative. So please give your feedback in our comment section. Thank you so much.